In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablet on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HUION HS611 Drawing Tablet. The HUION HS611 Drawing Graphic Tablet is a versatile digital painting tool designed for both PC and Android users, featuring an appealing design available in 3 colors: coral red, starry blue, and space gray. Weighing only 550 grams and measuring 7.3 millimeters in thickness, it is lightweight and portable, making it suitable for outdoor drawing. The tablet boasts an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt support, allowing for precise and vibrant stroke representation. Its rapid 266 pps report rate ensures smooth line input without lag. The HS611 also includes a convenient media bar for controlling background music, a programmable touch bar, and 10 customizable press keys to enhance workflow efficiency. The battery-free digital pen PW500 complements the tablet, eliminating the need for charging. With a USB Type-C interface, the tablet is compatible with various devices running Windows, Mac OS, and Android, although it does not support iOS. Number 2. GAOMON PD1161 Graphics Tablet. The GAOMON PD1161 is an 11.6-inch pen display monitor designed for digital artists and creators, featuring a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 and an IPS screen that ensures vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. It boasts an impressive 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise and natural line work, complemented by a battery-free stylus for convenience and environmental friendliness. The device includes 8 customizable shortcut keys to enhance workflow efficiency and weighs only 866 g, making it highly portable for on-the-go creativity. It supports various operating systems, including Windows 7 and macOS 10.12 and above, and is compatible with popular software like Adobe Photoshop and Clip Studio. The package includes essential accessories such as a power adapter, pen holder, and a glove, ensuring users have everything they need to start creating right away. With ergonomic design features and dual tri-monitor support, the GAOMON PD1161 is an excellent choice for artists, designers, and hobbyists alike. Number 3. GAOMON WH851 Graphics Tablet. The GAOMON WH851 is a versatile graphic tablet designed for artists and creators, featuring an 8-inch diagonal screen and a high sensitivity of 16,384 pressure levels, ensuring precise and lifelike strokes. With a resolution of 5080 LPI and an accuracy of plus or minus 0.3 mm, it provides a responsive drawing experience, complemented by a battery-free EMR pen that offers a 0.45 mm rebound distance and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt functionality. The tablet supports both wired and wireless connectivity via Bluetooth 5.0, enabling seamless use with various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Linux. It boasts an extensive working area of 203.2 by 127 mm in PC mode and 127 by 63.5 mm in phone mode, along with a long-lasting 1300 mAh battery that provides up to 18 hours of usage. The WH851 is equipped with 8 programmable press keys, a spinning mechanical dial for enhanced productivity, and is made from lightweight plastic with a low saturation finish to minimize reflections. The package includes essential accessories like pen nibs, a glove, and a USB-C adapter, making it a comprehensive tool for professional and personal creative projects. Number 4. XPPen Artist Pro 16. The XPPen Artist Pro 16, Gen 2, is a cutting-edge graphic tablet designed for digital artists, boasting a generous 16-inch display with a high resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, providing vivid and detailed visuals. The tablet features the innovative X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus, which offers an impressive 16,384 pressure levels and enhanced accuracy, allowing for nuanced and precise drawing. The fully laminated screen eliminates parallax errors, and its anti-glare surface combines with a 178-degree viewing angle for an optimal drawing experience. Additionally, it supports a color gamut coverage of 99% sRGB, ensuring exceptional color fidelity for creative works. The device is ergonomically designed with a comfortable wrist rest and is equipped with wireless functionality, making it suitable for both home and on-the-go use. Compatible with a wide range of operating systems and popular software, it is an excellent choice for artists seeking both performance and flexibility in their digital art endeavors. The package includes essential accessories, although a 3-in-1 cable for diverse connections is sold separately. Overall, the Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 stands out as a powerful tool for any digital creative. Number 5. GAOMON M10K Graphic Tablet. The GAOMON M10K 2018 version is a high-performance digital graphic tablet designed for artists and professionals needing precise digital drawing capabilities. Featuring a 10.1-inch active area with a resolution of 5080 LPI and 8192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, it allows for smooth and natural line creation. This tablet utilizes a battery-free passive stylus, promoting an eco-friendly approach and ensuring users avoid battery-related issues. It includes customizable express keys, 10 in total, as well as a touch ring for easy zooming and scrolling, enhancing usability for various creative tasks such as drafting and sketching. Compatible with multiple operating systems and design software, the GAOMON M10K is ideal for both left and right-hand users and comes packaged with essential accessories, all backed by a 1-year warranty.